There we go. All right, perfect.
Sorry to keep
No
you
problem. No
waiting.
problem. So there we go. Looks great.
Yeah, yeah. So today I'm not going to share the information of the so technical information because a lot of the experts and professionals today to discuss it. So I'm going to talk about the how all the parts of the footwear industry in footwear industry go in hand in hand for sustainability growth because now the sustainability is for all the industry, not only in the footwear industry. All the person are, focused on that. Everywhere, every person are focused on the sustainability growth. So, so there are four parts of my presentation. First, I would like to talk about the sustainability growth in the footwear industry. Second is the traditional. I would like to talk about the traditional quality while sustainability quality because I talk about this concept because it's from the TIC aspect. Because we are a TIC, as part of the TIC, we focus on the quality control. So footwear, we need to concern about the shift of from our footwear from traditional quality to the sustainable, quality. The third part is about the main strategy factors of the sustainability of the footwear. And the last one is better. We would be the I think the quality control inspection company like us will be better together with all the parts in the footwear industry to drive the sustainability of footwear growth. So as Thomas talked about, and also the growing demands of the sustainability because of the ongoing climate change challenge. So which trigger a new challenge of the shift of the quality shoes to sustainable shoes. And it covers from every aspect and everywhere, from the design to the production, from the partners to the material, and from the market to the end customers. So all the parts need to join the sustainability growth, because it's not only one person or one company can do the sustainability without all the parties to join this sustainability development. And more I know the brand, especially the branding footwear companies, are working on the sustainable footwear solutions for their long-term success. However, with the it is everywhere, different countries have their different condition, and also with the uncertain situation of the global pandemic, as Thomas has mentioned before, and a lot of the challenge come out during this period. And so the sustainability requires greater corporate, and also the close collaborations of all parts of the footwear industry. And we need all the parties to work together to have their contribution to the sustainability growth, including, TIC, it's a testing, inspection, and certification companies. And let's talk about the, traditional quality and why, sustainable quality. And before, in many years ago, many of the company manufacturing or the buyers or the customers, they are only concerned about their quality, if their quality to satisfy customers' requirement. So it only include the safety, conformed, and functionality. However, today, sustainable quality is updated, and it is ability not to only to satisfy customer requirement, but also we need to list satisfaction need to be last over times, and also without compromising natural resource. So that is what the definition of the sustainability. I think all of us know that. And so that means we need to do more to achieve this, sustainable quality. Besides the safety, conform, and functionality, so we need to have the eco-friendly and social responsibility. That is now today's we are most of the companies or talk about ESG. Oh, so let's come to the main strategy factors for the sustainability, because it covers every process and all the parties. So from the green resource, raw materials, we need to focus on that, and also to the clean manufacturing, to the efficient transport and distribution, and to the social responsibility. Every step we need to ensure they are sustainable. So for green, we need to, so many companies, they are looking for the new, materials, or for the recycle or renewable, source for the material to ensure they are sustainable. So also biocompatible material and biodegradable materials, recyclable and long-lasting and durable material to reduce the energy and resource. And the clean manufacturing, we need to ensure minimize the pollution and minimize the waste, and also the minimize amount of material and minimize energy consumption we use during the manufacturing. Efficient transport and distribution will also save the energy, so it will be also a part of our footwear industry. And social responsibility, we need to, as we Thomas also talked about the forced labor or something like that, we need to care more about the social issues more than ever. So that is why I think all the parts in the footwear industry need to work together to drive the shift of the footwear sustainability, because it is impossible for only some company or only one company or only some part of the company, the industry to complete or achieve that ideal goal. So sustainability, if we define it, the goal is to minimize the energy saving and maximize the energy saving and minimize the pollution and waste emission and better condition of the living. So that is also go back to the concept of I talked about it before, is ESG. So it including in many like the technical. So our solution, as I mentioned, we are members of TIC. We are committed to close collaborate with all the parts of the footwear to work with them to develop the sustainability solutions to align with your strategy. So the followings are the key service are outlined for your information. It's our service like the technical consulting, supplier chain management, inspection and testing, products, personal and also management certifications. So it will cover all the process and for all the parts. And the third party can help you to monitor and also to supervise all the parts and encourage all of them to work together to drive to the shift of the sustainability. So we will not talk about the details about it. So if you are interested about any detail about the sustainability solution, especially for the quality control solution, so you can come to me at any time after the conference. So our energy or experts, lab experts or inspection experts will answer your questions or provide you the solution. So why we TIC company can help or assist, the footwear industry, because we collaborated with governments, business, industry association, and other social organizations to update the sustainability standards and regulations from time to time. And we also act as a conveyor to pertaining to sustainability standard and regulation within footwear sector, to raise the social, consciousness throughout the entire supply chain. Because for the TIC industry, we connect all the parties together. And also we can be your second set of the eyes to monitor your sustainability programs. And also with the TIC's help, we can protect your sustainability value of the market, and also bridge the sustainability gap between the player in the footwear sectors. Why we need third party? Because we are independent, but and it will be we will consider all the parts' interest and to protect all parties' interest. So I think with all the contribution of all parties, we will move forward to the sustainability in the near future. Thank you. So that is all my sharing today.
Thanks so much, Betsy, and thanks for staying. I know it's 1 o'clock, I think, where you are, so appreciate you, and 1 in the morning. So appreciate you staying up with us and presenting. And you know, if you want to if you're able to drop your email in the chat box, if anyone has follow-up questions, they can send you an email that way. So. Okay. Thank you again. So with that, what we want to do now is we want to bring in Kelly and Bao, who are both with Stoll Reeves in California, and we're going to shift a minute. We've talked about sustainability. Now we want to go back to traditional product safety, chemical safety, and talk